Hey, if you're a new safety officer, this explainer is your essential guide to getting started on the right foot.
All right, let's jump right in. We've got 5 key areas we're going to cover to get you up to speed fast. So, first things first, you have to understand the risks you're hired to prevent. What can go wrong?
Well, the stakes are super high. We're talking accidents, huge fines, low morale, even a damaged reputation. So how do you get ahead of all that? The key is being proactive with consistent safety management.
That's why monthly briefings are so important. They keep you compliant and help build a true safety culture. And this right here, this checklist is about to become your new best friend for record keeping and compliance. To really master it, focus on developing your trainers. Their effectiveness is a direct reflection of yours. And remember this golden rule for OSHA. If you didn't write it down, it never, ever happened. Okay, but just checking boxes isn't enough. A truly modern program goes way beyond the basics. Think about bringing in topics like mental health or using new tech. That keeps your training relevant. You can really see the shift here. Digital tools just make training so much more dynamic and efficient. In fact, AI-driven tools like Q checklists can automate your record keeping, so you can focus on people. And the results? They speak for themselves. You'll see fewer accidents, no fines, and much higher morale. This really gets to the heart of it. Compliance is the starting line, but a strong culture is the goal. So what's next? You can actually start today. Download the free checklist and customize it for your site. The real question now is, how are you going to use these tools to build a stronger safety culture?